eggs, some plastics, and some flour, and some flour, and we have breadcrumbs, and we have, of course, wings. Because we have to make wings. Yes. Okay, so now we are going to take, one hand should be wet and one hand should be dry. So this is my dry hand and this is my wet hand. I can do this. Okay. Here. Okay, so now first we are going to put flour, then egg, and then breadcrumbs. First we are going to take this thing. Wings. Okay. This I will take. Oh. You look at this zigzag. Look, we have to do it from the corners like this. That's the excess. Look. And now put it in the wet. Now use your wet hand. Yeah, so we have to put excess egg on it. We have to put beat egg on. And you have to look. There is. We should put egg on every side. You can put it so that the breadcrumb sticks. Why? Okay, you put your wet hand in it. Then why are you using? Why is it dry? I want that one. Okay. Now let's put breadcrumbs. Okay. What's my Let's do zigzag. And where's the tray? Make sure that you are not messing up with the things and you are not mixing your right and left hand. Yeah. Your wet hand, and you know it's going to be so yummy. Yeah. And crunchy, crispy, and juicy. Now, what chicken has to be juicy with the bones on it? Wait, I'll bring a tray. So she's bringing a tray, and we will put our eggs in this. It's here. It was so heavy to take. We can put it over here. I will just put it. Just go. Put on it. Now first we'll take this. What's on my hand? I just forgot. Ew, blood. Oh, just take it out for me. Move. Why are you reacting so much? Because I was taking this blood one. Let's do it. And now let's put. Look, it's a hard one. Look. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and press the bell icon. I need a golden. I just forgot to say this. I want